In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text in Midjourney using Canva. If you've ever generated an amazing image in Midjourney only to find that the text looks a little off, this walkthrough will show you a quick, clean way to replace that text while keeping the rest of the image intact. We'll pull the image from Midjourney and use Canva's Grab Text tool to edit the wording so it looks natural and polished. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Midjourney and press enter. From the results, click through to the official Midjourney website. Once you're in, go to the Create section to view the images you've made. Pick the image that contains the text you want to fix, open it so you can see it clearly, and download it to your computer. This gives you a high-quality copy to work with in Canva. Next, go to Canva in your browser. On the home page, create a new design or open an existing one. To keep things crisp, choose a canvas size that's close to your original image dimensions. Then upload the Midjourney image. You can drag and drop it into Canva or use the Uploads panel. Once it appears in your library, click it to place it on the canvas and make it fill the page so edits line up precisely. With the image selected, click Edit to open Canva's photo editing tools. Here, you'll find Grab Text. This feature scans the picture, identifies the text area, and isolates it so you can change the words without rebuilding the background from scratch. Click Grab Text and let Canva process the image for a moment. Now it's time to edit the text. Select the extracted text box and type the correct wording you want to appear. Adjust the font to something that matches the original style, tweak the size and weight, and set the color so it blends with the design. The color picker is handy for sampling tones from the image, helping your new text feel like it belongs. Align the text so it sits exactly where the original was, and fine-tune spacing to match the vibe of the artwork. If your background has strong textures or shadows, nudging the text a pixel or two can make the replacement feel seamless. Zoom in to double-check edges and letter clarity, then zoom back out to confirm everything looks balanced. That's it. You've replaced messy AI text with clean, readable words while preserving your image's overall look. You've just edited Midjourney text using Canva quickly and effectively.